You can check before you enter whether you're entering to a buy side, and if you see bullish side being more numbers, then you can take a buy. And hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be telling you 5 important points which you should take care of before making an entry to any trade. It might be intraday or positional trade. So I'll be telling you the 5 important points and trick which will help you to make proper entries in intraday trades or positional trades. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And before that, if you're new to trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, and if you're having losses and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot in the description below of this video, that is trading0.blogspot.in. so you can see all the details here, and also you can see the earning proof of my clients whoever has joined and are making consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these things, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you guys can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end so that you guys will get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's discuss the 5 important points what is needed to make a proper entry for the trades. Okay, so now the first point is stock quality check. So guys, always you have to select a good quality stocks for doing a trades, whether it's a intraday trading or a personal trading. Okay, so now let me tell you few tricks and tips to pick a good quality stocks. So the first point will be to select a stock from Nifty 50 and the stock price which are above 150 rupees. Okay, so the stocks from Nifty 50 and above 150 rupees stocks will always have a good movement, that is good volume and volatility. And also make sure you check the beta value of a stock. Okay, so you can go to the fundamentals here in Zerodha Kite and you can check the beta value. So any stock which is having a beta value above 1 point is good. That means that will have a good volatility for the day. So you can always select the stocks which are having above 1 beta value, and you can select the stock from large cap also. Okay, so Nifty large cap stocks are really good for intraday trading or it may be personal trading. Okay, because large cap stock will go in a very good movement and also will get a good directions in that. Even if the stocks comes negative in the large cap stocks, it will recover within a 1 or 2 days. Let's say a stock fell like 5% in large cap, within next one or 2 day that 5% will be recovered, because that's a large cap stock and the fundamentals will also be good in that. Okay, so that's one advantage of picking a good quality stocks and large cap stocks. Okay, and now let me explain you the second point. So the next point will be good technical check. Okay, so you should make a stock technical check before you enter to a trade. So that doesn't mean that you have to do the full technical analysis or something like that. You know, in your, if you're using Kite, Angel Broking or Upstock also, when you select a stock, there is something called as technicals here. Okay, so this is just a trick what I'm sharing you. This doesn't mean that it's always accurate. Okay, but this is the one we can just briefly check over. Okay, so here you can see for the next 1 hour the Wipro will be how much bearish or how much bullish. Okay, so you can change the time frame here and see. Okay, so if you're planning to hold it for one day or 2 day, then you can check the technicals of 1 day. In 1 day chart, it will tell you how the stock sentiment is, whether it's a bearish or bullish, and you can see how many indicators are telling bearish and bullish and everything. Okay, so this is very quick technical way where you can check all these things in a brief. Okay, but mind you guys, this is not 100% accurate, but this will tell you some of brief thing, okay, so that you can check before you enter whether you're entering to a buy side, and if you see bullish side being more numbers, then you can take a buy entry, or if you're seeing a sell side being a more number, if the stock is bearish, then you can take a short sell entry. So it's like that, okay. You can do a quick technical check like that, okay. And coming to the next point, guys, buying in support area, that is buying in dips, or short selling in resistance area, that is selling in peaks. So many people make a mistake when entering, okay. So you should always buy a stock when it's in support level, okay. So if you don't know to draw a support and resistance level, you can simply use pivot points, okay. So if you use pivot points, that will tell you the support and resistance level. See, you should, when you plot this indicator, it will tell you where there is a peak of the stock. So you should not buy it at that time when the stock is trading in the peaks. You should not buy in these areas, okay. You should not buy the stocks in peak areas. This is a short selling level only, okay. These are the short selling level. You should only buy it at the support areas, okay. So this is a buy area, so you should always know that. And whenever the stock falls, okay, let's say you get a news like some stock fell 3%, 4% or something like that, and you should make utilize of that. When the stock falls like that, and when it touches the support lines like this, from that is the place where the stock will get some bias to boost the stock, and from there the stock can go up. So you should catch the movement like that, okay. It doesn't mean a stock fell 3%, 4%, and it doesn't mean that it will keep on falling. It will not happen like that. Any stock without some news or without some fundamental mistake, it won't keep on falling, okay. So good stocks, this is a Reliance stock what I'm showing you right now. So good stocks like this. So that's why I said you always select large cap stocks and Nifty 50 stocks which are good. So even if they fall 3 to 4%, they will regain it quickly, okay. So at that time, make use of the support level, buy it in a deep, so that you will get your target quick, and the stock will also move up very fastly. If it has fallen 3-4% down, there are some times where it will go 5%, 6% up also within just 1 week or 2 weeks. I've seen that happening in this good quality stocks, okay. So these are the things which you need to keep in mind before you take an entry. So never make an entry in a peak, okay. Whether it's an intraday stock or if you are doing in positional trade, it doesn't matter. So even in intraday, many people take a trade as soon as the market opens. So don't do that, okay. Always take a trade at least after 10 or 15 minutes after the market opens. So don't try to buy it once the market gap ups or gap down somewhere there. Don't do that. Wait for a few minutes, and once the stock touches any of the support or resistance line, by seeing that, you can take a buy entry or sell entry, okay. So avoid making rush entries. Don't hurry up and take any kind of entries, okay. And now let's talk about the next point. So this is the fourth point. Check the index trend of stock and also market trend, okay. For example, let's say you're planning to trade a buy, okay. So let's say you're planning to buy a stock, that is go long trade, buy and sell. So if you're going for a buy trade, that means the stock should go up, okay. If you're going for a buy trade, the stock should go up. And if you're making a buy entry, make sure the market is also going up and the market is also bullish, so that your entry is matching. And one more thing, you should also check the index of the stock. For example, let's say you're trading on Tata Motors. So if you're trading on Tata Motors and if you're deciding to buy the stock, first thing is you'll check the market. Even if the market is going up, then you'll buy the Tata Motors, okay, because the trend is matching. And next thing what you do is you will check the index of the stock. Tata Motors comes under Nifty Auto. Make sure you check that index, how it is performing. Even if that index is also going bullish, then only make a entry, okay. You might have seen the market goes up by 1%, still some stock will be in a losing side because the index will not be in a positive side, okay. Even if the market is in plus, some stock will be going down. Even if the market is down, some stock will be going bullish. That's because the index trend, there is a two things what you need to keep in your mind, that is index trend and the market trend. So that will be different, okay. Always check the stock index, okay. If you don't know which stock and which index you're trading in, you can simply Google it. It will tell you which index it is, okay. So for example, as I said, if you're doing Tata Motors, it belongs to Nifty Auto. If you're doing Indalco, it belongs to Nifty Metal. So just see that chart also once again before you take an entry. Even if that is also telling the same sentiment, even if it's also showing a buy, then you are in a correct position, and it's in a correct entry point to make a buy entry, okay. So if the index is showing sell, and if the stock is only showing buy, don't take an entry like that. Okay, so you should see all these things before you make a proper entry. And next point will be proper timing and following the discipline. Okay, so guys, you should always follow the discipline when doing intraday trading. Okay, and following proper time is very important. So let's say some stock is touching the support level. Okay, so let me show you some of the example for that. So let's say here the Tata Motors is trading in the resistance level. Okay, and it has touched in the morning itself. Okay, so here you can see it has touched the resistance level in the morning itself, and from here the stock is not going up. You're seeing it exactly, there is no power for the stock to go up. And if you observed it here itself, so make sure you enter to a short sell here itself. So don't wait for a more time. Okay, don't enter somewhere in the between, and from there don't expect more to fall. Okay, so if you entered here itself the short sell, you would have got a good movement here. Okay, so observing the support and resistance level and making a correct entry at the correct time is very important, and following the discipline of keeping target and stop loss in intraday trading is also very important. Okay, so guys, to learn all these things in details in more, you can join my course. In my course I'll be guiding you everything in detail, and I'll be teaching you the strategies and techniques which will help you to make consistent profit. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.